Hello everyone, I have some questions for you all. Are you struggling to take right decisions? Have you ever been in any situation where you have only two options left? What will you do? Which one you will choose? So be with me for 4 minutes and get all the answers. So before moving ahead, do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. So let's get started. A man got lost in desert and had exhausted all the water he had carried a couple of days ago. He knew for sure if he did not get some water, he would certainly die. Although completely exhausted, the man did not lose hope. He kept on walking and he was looking for some sign of good fortune. Suddenly, he saw a small hut at some distance. Could it be a mirage, he thought, or maybe just a hallucination? But having no other options left, he edged closer to realize that the hut was real. Gathering the last bits of energy left, he dragged himself inside the hut, hoping he could find some water. The hut was empty and seems like it had been abandoned for quite some time. His heart skipped a beat when he saw a hand pump inside the hut. Water finally! He was overjoyed. He began working the hand pump, but no water came out. He tried harder and yet harder, no water. Finally, after putting it every bit of energy, he gave up out of exhaustion and frustration and sat down thinking, maybe I am just trying to die out of the thirst today. And then he noticed a water bottle in a corner of the hut. It was filled up with water and corked up to prevent evaporation. He uncorked the water and he just about to devour the life-giving water. He noticed a piece of paper attached to it, a handwritten message. Use this water to start the pump. Do not forget to fill the bottle when you are done. He was now in dilemma to follow the instruction and pour the water into the pump or ignore it or just drink the water. What if he put the water into the pump and it did not work? But maybe the instruction was correct. Should he risk it? If it turned out to be false, he would be throwing away the last water he could ever see again. Have you ever been in any situation like this, where there only the two options left? An uncertainty about which one will work and which one will not work. What will you do and what will you choose? You have to choose one and will be willing to bear the consequences of that. Many people did not decide because they are fearful of the consequences and continue to remain confused in the real life. The man decided to take a leap of faith and he poured the water into the pump, closed his eyes and said a prayer. He heard a gurgling sound and water come out. Way more he could possibly use. He drank the cool, refreshing water and quenched his thirst. He was very happy and he is going to live again. On the hut, he saw a pencil and a map of a reason. The map showed up. He is still far away from the civilization, but at least now he knows where he was and in which direction he has to go next. He filled up his flask and moved for a journey ahead. As per the instruction on the note, also filled up the bottle and put the cork before leaving the hut. He added his own lines below the instruction. Believe me, it works. And most of us may not be confronted with situation like this, whether the choices we may decide which will work, which will not work, whether we will live or die. Yet we have our own journeys to take and our own journeys to make and our own choices to make. If the choice we make goes our way, fantastic. We can inspire the people by telling them, believe me, it works. And if it does not go away, we can share our mistakes, our expectations, our experiences, our realizations, and empower the people to make the right decisions. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe.